Okay, started recording. Okay. I didn't even push the button. Okay. Hi everyone, how you doing? Well, this is the new me, as you all know. I went through some hectic stuff, so we're going to try to improve the new system. Alright, I just want to give you an update on everything that's happened to me. I recently went through kidney stone surgery. Not a fun thing to go through. Especially if you have a kidney stone, you wish you would given birth. Okay? So I just wanted to let you know that, hey, that I'm okay, and I got a new system coming up now, and one brand new system coming that I did not know about, but I'm going to go buy it. So, just not right now. And just want to let you know that everything's fine, and we'll be back, not today, but soon, with more great episodes. So I hope you all enjoy it. Alright? Catch you later, alligators. This is a big dog in the big dog house saying, oh, yes, I'm back. Bye.